Hello, we got Maria here with me. And Maria, I want to talk more about your amazing win with getting 29 book calls in, right?
Yep, yep.
And then being able to take yourself through that journey of, sales and, I'll let you do the talking. Tell me more about that. Yeah, just tell me.
How I did it, right?
Yeah, just how you feel about it, how you feel about it, how you done it, like just the whole process, I guess was just more, yeah, like 29 calls. That's that's incredible.
Yeah, I didn't start working with ad yet. It all came from my Instagram account, from leveraging my social media. And it was easy because I have a special connection with my audience. And what I needed is to clarify my offer. So you helped me with this a lot. And now that I'm clear on what can I how can I help my potential clients, it's much easier to get them into the call. I just do stories and they just booking the call. So that's it.
Nice, 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 nice. And so, before joining us and COA, I mean, where were you before then? Like, what was the situation? Like, yeah, where were you?
Um, yeah, I didn't know what I want to do. I tried a lot. I tried to sell my graphic design abilities, my retouch abilities, photographer abilities. So it was a mess. And then it came to me that I'm a great coach and that I want to talk to people, I want to help them. And when I realized this, I understood that I need to create something in order to sell this. So
Mm.
here is where my journey with the COA started.
Yeah, nice, 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 nice. So again, it goes back into knowing your offer and, from before not knowing what to sell to finally having focused,
Yeah.
intention behind it. That's massive. So, really, really great. For you then, what has been the best part of working within COA? So some people say that it's the program itself with step-by-step modules, easy to follow along. Other people say it's the support that we provide. We're here with you every single step of the way, whether that be answering questions in the group or on the actual consultation clinics as well. Or maybe it was maybe the assets that you're going through right now, such as funnels, email templates, the closer process, right? As an example that you've had loads of practice with now. Yeah, what have you found the best? What have you most enjoyed?
Yeah, it's everything actually all together because the information is very valuable. It helped me a lot, but then I had a lot of I discovered a lot of fears with which you helped me because it was easy for me to go into thinking, but then I remember that I have mentors to ask. I can ask for a help, and then I wrote into the Facebook group, and then where I overcame my fears and my overwhelming and everything, and I just keep doing step by step every day. So I do actually till now every day something from the COA. I'm it is I'm listening to the audio, or I'm writing something down, or I'm asking a question, or I'm practicing my booking calls, or every single day is something that is related to the COA system in general.
Hmm. Hmm. Fantastic, fantastic. And so, for yourself, what would you say to someone that was thinking about joining COA then?
The hardest part is that you need to decide actually to do the work, because if you don't do, you will get nothing. And for me, this is the biggest win, I think. I have decided to do, not to blame you, not to blame the program, which is difficult for me at some level. But when I repeat 20 times the same module, it gets to me. So I would recommend to invest in this COA if you are ready to do. You need to do something. If you are the person who will say it's too difficult, give me my money back, then you don't understand and don't feel the value of the program, because the program is absolutely valuable, incredible. It helped me a lot. So
Fantastic,
this is,
fantastic. That's great. No, it's really, really great to hear, me. And again, for yourself, like, well done on learning the closer process, getting more fine-tuned in that for sure. And now, of course, we're going to start focusing on building out what is the COA or COA system, as you like to say. So that, of course, you can also not just simply have what is your leverage lead flow in terms of your socials, but also in terms of like new traffic from ads. Okay, so that'll be really, really exciting for you. So
yeah.
look, thank you so much for sharing with us today. Really excited for your results to come ahead. So yeah, thank you. Appreciate you for sharing your wins.